Good morning. How are my little tiny tots? How are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at home. Do you recall what you learnt in the last English session? You had learned alphabet A, B and C. So now let's do a quick recap of alphabet A, B and C and learn a new alphabet D. A says A for arrow, A for apple, A for ant, A for aeroplane. B says B for butterfly, B for bus, B for balloon, B for bat, B for ball. C says C for cake, C for car, C for cap, C for cat, C for carrot. Children, which alphabet is this? D. D says D for drum. Do you know how do we play with the drum? Here there are sticks. We play like this. D for dog. It is a pet animal. D says D for dice. Children, do you know what do we do with this dice? We play with the dice. And which game you know? Snakes and ladders and Ludo. D says D for doll. Do you know, children? Girls love to play with dolls. D says D for duck. Do you know what does duck says? Quack, quack. Children, let's revise once again alphabet D. D says D for dog, D for doll, D for dice, D for drum, D for duck. Let's do an activity. Look children, we have yellow color here, white paper and red marker and black marker. Now we are going to paint our hand with this paint brush like this. See here. We'll take some more color in the brush and do it. Look children, now we are going to place this palm like this here. Can you see some gap in center? We will fill it with the brush like this. And make a curve. Now with the index finger, we are going to make the face. We'll go round, round, round. See children. We are going to fill this gap again over here. Now we'll take a red marker and we'll make the legs. And we'll make a beak. Duck has a red color beak. So we will make a beak. Now we'll use our black marker and we will make a eye. See children, isn't it an interesting activity? Look here, we have finished the activity. D for duck. Did you enjoy doing the activity? Okay, bye. Take care. See you in the next session.